Good morning, friends. I am Colonel Lalit Chamola, the director of Colonel Chamola Doon Academy at Dehradun. In this academy, we prepare and guide students for the SSB, that is Service Selection Board, prepare them for National Defence Academy, RIMC, Sainik School, CDS and FCAT. Today, I have with me my student चेतन सिंह. चेतन ने जिंदगी में बहुत मेहनत करके, बहुत डेडिकेशन एंड डिवोशन के साथ नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी और नेवल एकेडमी के एग्ज़ाम पास किए हैं. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू अनाउंस दैट ही इज सून गोइंग टू ज्वाइन द नेवल एकेडमी. क्योंकि चेतन मेरे साथ है, उसकी स्टोरी एक बहुत इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है. आई एम वेरी श्योर listening to this, lot of people will get inspired and work hard like him to join the National Defence Academy and Naval Academy to become officers. Okay, Chetan,
Yes.
tell me something about yourself right from your childhood till today.
Okay. Myself Chetan Singh. I am from a village Jarara in district Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. I belong to a very ordinary family. My father is a laborer. I study up to class 5th in my village school. Then I appeared for JNBST exam. I cleared that exam and got admission in class 6 in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Hathras. From class 6 to 10, I studied in that school. That school is fully funded by the government, and I appeared for many exams and cleared. In class 10, I appeared for the NDST exam that is conducted by a NGO called Dachina, where I got the opportunity to complete my intermediate along with the 2-year classroom program for the JEE preparation in Bangalore. In the guidance of those teachers, I secured a very good rank in JEE Advanced. Then I got admission in IIT Roorkee. Now I am pursuing my BTech in electrical engineering from IIT Roorkee.
Okay, Chetan, first of all, heartiest congratulations to you
Thank you,
for
sir.
being a student of IIT as also qualifying in the National Defence Academy and Naval Academy examinations. मुझे ये बताओ, IIT ज्वाइन करना किसी भी बच्चे का एक ड्रीम होता है, because it gives you money as also a lot of opportunities. फिर आप IIT छोड़ करके डिफेंस सर्विसेज क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं?
Any college or institution can give me a job, but defense give me a life. That life always inspired me. The uniforms and the respects, getting respects was my utmost priority. I want to serve my nation in defense forces. Also, defense can give me the opportunity to be an astronaut. That's why I am switching from IIT to the defense forces.
ओके चेतन, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आपकी ये स्टोरी सुन करके बहुत सारे बच्चे इंस्पायर होंगे, और यदि तुम जैसे इंटेलिजेंट एंड डेडिकेटेड पीपल ज्वाइन द डिफेंस फोर्सेस ऑफ इंडिया, आई एम श्योर द फ्यूचर एंड द प्राइड ऑफ द डिफेंस फोर्सेस इज गोइंग टू बी रियली ब्राइट. अब मुझे ये बताओ कि जब तुम कर्नल चमोला दून एकेडमी में आए, व्हाट हैज बीन योर एक्सपीरियंसेस, व्हाट ऑल हैव यू लर्नड in this particular academy?
That was a very wonderful experience at the Colonel Chamola's Doon Defense Academy, Dehradun. When I came here, before that I was like introvert. I was locked in a room preparing for my IIT JEE exam. But after coming here, I exposed myself to the strangers, and sir boosted up my confidence and helped me to have the self-esteem, self-respect, and the confidence in me. Sir told me about my weaknesses and strengths by taking my psychometric analysis and psychology test. In that way, I improved my personality so that I was able to recommend for the Indian Naval Academy, Ijimala. Now, in that experience.
ओके चेतन, नाउ मुझे ये बताओ कि तुम्हारे साथ जो स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ रहे हैं या आगे जो स्टूडेंट्स जो डिफेंस फोर्सेस ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए व्हाट मैसेज डू यू हैव?
One message I want to give the all aspirants who are going to join the Colonel Chamula June Defense Academy is that have faith in yourself, have self-respect, self-esteem, and work hard to achieve your goals. If you have any minor problems or any doubts, go to the Chamula sir. He will clarify all your doubts and will tell you about your weaknesses and strengths. Work upon your weaknesses and believe in yourself, and you have to develop that attitudes so that you can achieve the goals whatever you have decided to achieve. And I personally believe that we all have the hidden talent, so that one thing is that you have to believe that you can do, and everything will be possible. Thank you.
Okay, Chetan, first of all, congratulations. I'm very happy. You've done very well for yourself. We are proud of your achievements. You will do very well in life. All the best to you. Thank you so much and Jai Hind.
Thank you.